Alrighty guys, what's going on, man? Listen, real quick, I'm just getting off work. What's today, Thursday? I'm headed over to Home Depot to do some shopping. I'm gonna fire up the live stream shop for the 50K subscriber giveaway. Yes, I'm going to buy some tools with my new online mechanic tip credit card. Yes, it's LLC now, so got a business and I got a credit and a debit card through the business account or what have you. So look, before I do that, man, I'm about to let me talk about something right quick, man. I was watching this video. Y'all know I watch videos. Ooh, a lot of videos. My dude, somebody alerted me to, and I don't think he did it to start a beef or a war or fight or anything like that. I can't remember his name, but he commented on one of the video and alerted me there was some foolishness afloat. Okay, my dude, Car Wizard, all right, guy, automotive mechanic. I think he owned a shop, huge channel, guy, one of the big channels out there. All right, real sharp dude too. I saw some of his videos. Sharp guy. Okay, when I say sharp, he's sharp. But anyway, there was a video he uploaded that it said 5 hours ago. All right, there was some content said I didn't agree with, guys. Now he went on. What he was talking about is cars you should run away from. In other words, not purchase, not buy. Now, as you know, some of us are in the industry that requires car sales in order to, for us to thrive. For the dealership to thrive, the car sales department has to thrive, as well as the service department. Okay, if there's no sales, the dealership likely would get closed, and a lot of people are affected. All right, so I'm rooting for sales. All right. I'm not going to say no matter how the quality of the product, because yes, the product has to be quality. Okay, but my man, Car Wizard, all right, he went through a whole list of car makers, Buick, all the Nissan, the transmission, and I agree with all of that. All that junk he mentioned before he got to the FCA product was legit. Yes, don't buy no freaking Nissan with no CVT, don't buy no Buick, V6, 3.6, none of that. Don't buy none of that. He right about all of that. Now, where he went wrong at is when he brought up the fact, he started naming off Chrysler. Hold tight. Look at this right quick.
The next group of cars to definitely run away from is Dodge Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, Jeep Wrangler, yes, the Jeep Wrangler, Dodge Avenger, and Dodge Journey. Really, any of the Chrysler vehicles with, amazingly, a 3.6 V6. Something about that number across multiple manufacturers is bad engines and bad luck. These ones have problems with the cylinder heads cracking. It's a Fiat engine, it's made by Fiat. And then these are dropping like flies as well.
Did you just say crackheads?
No, not crackheads. Cracked heads. Although there's some people that are crackheads that buy these vehicles.
All right, he named off just about the whole lineup, the Chrysler lineup. Now, to some degree, he have a point. There are some known issues and problems with some of those engines. Okay, I keep bragging on the fact that there are so many out there sold being driven to where the small number or it might not even be small. It may be a lot. The amount that we work on is still a super small percentage. Okay, yes, even if I did a Pentastar daily, a ticking noise daily, it's so many out there to where the numbers being repaired are still low, under 5%. What does that say? Okay, yes, they're going to be failure in everything. A percentage rise. Okay, now, if that percentage number was extremely high, all right, they built 100,000 of them. 40,000 of them was bad. No, we're talking single-digit percentage there's a problem with, okay? That's not a huge problem. But my man just went off naming off stuff that's wrong with the 3.6. Again, guys, I'm a realist. I understand there are some faults. All right? Now, but the way he went about describing the faults, he kept saying things like head cracked, crackheads, blah, blah. They keep having crackheads over here. No, they don't. No, they don't. And what he was referring to is the early edition. Remember, guys, this vehicle, this engine, motor, came out in 2011. Showed up in the Caravan and the 200, the cars and the trucks and the even the 1500s, okay, but still, guys, um, he went on to say the issue is cracked cylinder heads. No, look at me, eye to eye. Hear me out. We need to be on the same page here. We do not have a cracking head problem, okay? That's not the issue. It's not from cracking heads. Now, there are some cracking things going on, okay? For instance, I replaced 2-cylinder head because exhaust valve guides had a little crack in it. Is that what he's talking about? Maybe. He haven't done enough to give an opinion on them. If he ever done any. I don't know if he might be going off, you know what I'm saying, forums and things people are complaining about. But if you haven't done a bunch of them, how you going to say they garbage? You basing your information off what you hear. I'm in the trenches, all right? Yes, there's not a bunch of cracked heads going on with the Pentastar. In fact, that's not even one of the issues. The issues with the earlier build was, yes, they want you to replace the head. Simply because the average shop don't have machine equipment. If these was my vehicles and I had the machine equipment to install valve seats, the issue was the valve seats and or the valve itself and the guides. Okay, yes. Look at this clip right here. This exhaust valve got a crack in it. Okay, that will lead to a misfire. That will lead to low compression, which will inevitably lead to a misfire. I had to replace the head. Not because the head was cracked. All right, let me cut him some slack, because at the end of the day, there was something cracked that required me to replace the head. All right, but I don't like the way you word that. Okay, and who am I? I'm just a little scrub child. But still, man, if you're going to attack the product, attack it right. Okay, don't be, oh, you got crackhead. No, man. He didn't even attack the main issues with the Pentastar. He attacked cracked heads and overheating. No, there's no known freaking overheating. He might have had a few that was overheating. That don't mean that's a known problem. He didn't even crack the main problem or issues Pentastar having. The ticking. He ain't say nothing about ticking. In fact, I watched the video. I don't even think he uttered the word tick at all. Cracked cylinder head. Car Wizard, we got to get it together, man. Okay, I cannot sit idle while you bash the product like that. All right, I have a vested interest. And what bothers me is he called out one of his buddies, the so-called Super Master Dodge Chrysler Master Tech in Wichita, that told him, yeah, they all junk. I don't know, man. Your buddy, man, he might, hey, if he was so-called Chrysler Dodge Master Tech, which is what I am, you got to be careful with that kind of language. I mean, what he want to hamper the sales of the product? If his dealer start not selling cars, his dealer likely will get closed. Will it be because he ran his damn mouth too much? Bad mouthed in the product? Hey, man, hey. Yes, I can't just sit there and watch. I sat there and watched that and cringed the whole time I'm watching. Well, wait a minute, what is he talking about? Cracked heads? No. Overheating head gasket? Ain't no overheating head gasket problem, not even with the early build. And guys, I say this all the time. People badmouth the recall. When you got a recall, that's a good thing, okay? Your car maker found a problem. They're willing to fix it and pay for it, okay? That's what recalls are. They mostly safety issue. But this turned out to not be a recall, the ticking or anything. However, FCA was nice enough to extend the warranty. They branched that warranty out to 150,000 miles. Okay, yes, they extended it. It's called a warranty extension, X56. It is not a recall. Don't stop running to the dealership talking about, I heard JT channel and he said I got a recall on my ticking. No, the recall wasn't even for ticking. The recall was for misfire. In the event that bank 2, which is cylinder 246, you had a constant misfire and it wasn't from secondary ignition. It wasn't from a spark plug coil or anything like that. Or even valve train for that matter. It had to have been from low compression or burnt valve, cracked seat, things like that, which will be revealed on a compression test. That's why we at the dealer had to do a compression test and show those results. That way the customer can they are entitled to a free head. That was a warranty extension, not a recall. So I've done a bunch of those, okay? The customer was happy. They extended the warranty. When a car maker extend the warranty, they agreed that there was a problem. Okay, they acknowledged that there was a problem, so they want to rectify it by extending the warranty. Car Wizard, come on, man. Me and Car Wizard, man, we got to get on a live stream or something. We're going to chop this up. Now, he an all-around guy, okay? So, you know, when you got an independent shop, you don't pick and choose. You take whatever come in the door. So, this guy knowledgeable about everything, all the whole product. He like Tim and them. All them guys that work DIY, they don't pick and choose. They work whatever come in the door. You have to. When you at a dealership, the majority of the work you get is whatever car maker dealer you working at. Okay, so yeah, I've been in this bubble for a long time. But at the end of the day, a car is a car is a car. Guys, I gotta go. I'm headed to Lowe's, Home Depot. I'm a live stream from Home Depot, and this camera is getting dark. So what we're gonna do is I just had to address Car Wizard. Wait a minute, Car Wizard, come on, buddy. We can't be doing that. And yes, let's do this. I'm gonna fire up the camera. I hope my battery. I done see him waste my battery fooling around with Car Wizard. And who was that brought Car Wizard to my attention? I can't think of. He commented on one of the videos. Car Wizard just said the Pentastars ain't nothing. Well, I'm gonna go watch this video and see what the hell Mr. Car Wizard talking about. I can't have it. I can't do it. I can't put up with it. Car Wizard, cut it out, man. Stop that. We cannot have that foolish. Keep on dogging out the Buicks and the Nissan and them, but we're gonna have to back up off of the you know, the good stuff, okay? In fact, let me show y'all something. Yes, I am leaving the facility now. Car Wizard, we cannot do that no more, all right? Look at all them beautiful Chargers and Challengers. No ticking, guys. No freaking crackhead, and that sun is blinding y'all, I'm sure, but y'all see that sign? That big sign right there, Jeep Chrysler Dodge Ram. All right, guys, I'm headed to Home Depot. We're going to live stream at Home Depot, all right? Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back.